All right, last one.
Can you tell the difference between genuine and AI-generated art? All right, now this is my turn, Will. You got another game for me?
Uh-huh.
Good stuff. That's always fun. And we will see if I'm capable. So am I going to get one and then the next? How's it work?
Yeah, it's going to be like 5 or 6 of these pictures, and then you have to choose.
Okay, so was this photo taken by a human or generated by AI? This is my number one. I'm not going to look at this chat. You guys play along as well. Put your answers in the chat or in the comments. I am going to go with AI on this one.
AI. You'll get the answers at the end.
Yep. Next.
So this is a painting.
Painting, human or AI? I will go with human on this one.
Okay.
I don't know. Brushstroke. Human or AI? I want AI on this one. No, I want human on this one.
Okay.
Oh, how dare you screw with me like this?
This one I thought was easy.
Really? Fingers? You love fingers. AI. Human or AI? Weird hand, weird cup on the left hand. AI.
Okay.
I love this picture or this painting. This is amazing. Look how weird that little dog is. Buttons. Are the buttons slightly off? No, because it is buttoned there. It does have one button done.
Right.
I'm going to go human on this.
Okay.
It's risky.
That's lit.
That's a risky human.
All right, hold on. Let's see here.
Well, I'll be happy if I got two
it's
wrong.
sent to like me.
What's that? View accuracy.
Okay, here we go.
AI. One for one?
Right.
Okay, 1 for 1. Let's go. It was created by Night Cafe with the prompt Navajo woman with her hair in braids. Okay, we're 1 for 1. Ladies and gentlemen, we're 2 for 2. That was a human artist, correct. Jean-Simeon Chardin painted fruit, jug, and glass in the 1720s. Yeah, that looked like a human to me. Ooh, that was a late change for me. I went from AI to human, and I think I was skewed just by the theme. It's like, oh, that's very pink, and
yeah,
you know what I mean? But that's a human as well. The artist is Kelly McKernan.
Look at you.
The finger one, yeah, we got it, obviously. This was a tricky one only because if you just go straight to their faces, you're like, oh, this looks like a ton of religious paintings that you've seen.
Yeah.
But then you look more closely and you're like, weird stuff is off. Like his halo, the baby's halo, obviously the fingers, the hands.
I feel like the deformed face too.
Look at his shoulder, right? The cloak is like kind of weirdly smudged, and yeah, her neck, the rolls in her neck are like slightly off.
Yeah.
A few things. This one was easy, I think, because of the guy's face on the right. I like this image. If I had to pick an AI image that I liked this image. I don't know.
Okay.
Old guys, white beards, weird hats. I can't really place the background.
Very dreamlike.
Yeah,
like a Picasso or something.
I don't know. I if I had to pick one of the AI ones, I would take this,
or
even
Van Gogh.
Even with its imperfection. I would leave it how it is and go, well, that's how it.
Yeah.
That's what the AI put together.
Last one. Hey.
Is that the last one?
Yeah.
So I was perfect.
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
By humans. Yeah.
This one was also a little bit sketchy because it's kind of weird. It's kind of a weird image.
Uh-huh.
You're like, what kind of dude is painting that? But I like this. This is Alice in Wonderland type of thing going on. That dog is really small. Yeah, the lower body, upper body, the foot. Like, I don't know. I also, this is maybe my favorite overall, even though it's by a human.
Okay.
This is probably my favorite, like checkerboard on the floor.
Yeah.
This thing is wonky, the one button, but then that jacket has so many buttons on it.
That threw you off, eh?
Well, it's just, it's a lot of buttons on a jacket, but I don't know what they were doing. Let's see when this was painted. Go to the 18th century American artist. It's Jonathan Bentham. How about that? perfect on it. Now, I don't know. You guys are probably going to say you went perfect also. I hope you did. This is the future, guys. We got to be able to detect. We got to put our detectors on. We got to stalk the stalkers. We got to know what's happening, you know? We got to have our lenses. We got to adjust our glasses, our frames. Separate the real from the fake. That's the mission in 2023. Hopefully we can help every so often. And then we also appreciate when you help back, like when I can't find the word prolific.